Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Salamat Datang Modi Ji event in Kuala Lumpur alongside Malaysian PM Anwar Ibrahim. Modi is on a 2-day visit with bilateral talks scheduled tomorrow, expected to culminate in several MOUs strengthening India-Malaysia ties. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the Bastar Pandam festival in Jagdalpur, highlighting the tribal community's vibrant culture. She noted Bastar's decades-long struggle with Maoism and emphasized how festivals showcase resilience and the celebratory spirit of its people despite ongoing challenges. Prime Minister Modi hailed the framework for an interim trade agreement with the US as a milestone in bilateral relations. He thanked President Donald Trump for his commitment, stressing the agreement reflects growing trust, depth, and dynamism in India-US partnership. The Indian Coast Guard intercepted 3 vessels 100 nautical miles west of Mumbai, exposing an international oil smuggling racket. The operation revealed mid-sea transfers from conflict zones aimed at illegal profits through cheap oil and cargo smuggling via sea-air networks. US President Donald Trump signed an executive order prioritizing arms sales to nations with higher defense spending. The America First arms transfer strategy marks a significant policy shift, aligning US weapons exports with strategic importance and regional defense commitments. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi unveiled the Bhubaneswar-Cuttack-Puri-Paradeep Economic Corridor under Vision 2047. Covering 4 districts, the corridor contributes 19% to Odisha's GDP, with plans to increase its shares 15-fold by 2047, positioning it as a growth engine. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan addressed the Bharatiya Mazdoor Sangh's 21st National Conference in Puri, describing labour welfare as the backbone of nation building. He emphasized workers' dignity and their role as the cornerstone of India's development, aligned with constitutional ideals. The tribunal hearing of the Mahanadi water dispute between Odisha and Chhattisgarh has been rescheduled to March 14. A spot visit will be conducted between late February and early March, ahead of proceedings in this long-standing interstate water conflict. India's under-19 men's cricket team defeated England by 100 runs in Harare to clinch their 6th ICC Under-19 World Cup crown. The BCCI announced a cash award of 7.5 crore rupees for players, staff and selectors in recognition. The ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 began today, co-hosted by India and Sri Lanka. Pakistan beat the Netherlands in the opening match, while West Indies faced Scotland. Defending champions India start their campaign against USA at Wankhede.